How I summarized a PhD's worth of papers before my coffee got cold. Imagine waking up to over 500 research papers, each 50 pages long, and being told to read them all by tomorrow. It sounds impossible, right? Well, I did it before my coffee even got cold. Most researchers spend months reading papers, highlighting paragraphs, and taking notes, only to forget half of what they read. A PhD student can spend over 2,000 hours just reading literature. That is the dirty secret of academia. I wasn't trying to cheat or skip learning. I just wanted clarity by using AI to shrink months of work into minutes. I fed dozens of papers into an AI with one mission: summarize findings, compare methods, and identify unanswered questions. Within seconds, patterns emerged that would have taken me weeks to notice on my own. Instead of reading isolated studies, I watched the entire field of knowledge organize itself into a map. The AI connected theories and even pointed out contradictions that researchers rarely discussed. The real superpower wasn't just reading faster, it was seeing the big picture instantly. In less than 15 minutes, I had a complete mental map of the field while my coffee was still hot. But a word of warning: don't replace your brain with AI. It summarizes, but it doesn't always verify. AI can misunderstand statistics or confidently explain something that is completely wrong. The smartest people use AI for the boring work so they can focus on the thinking that actually matters. The future isn't about people versus AI, it is about people who know how to use AI versus those who don't. Imagine what you could do with your day if a PhD's worth of knowledge was organized before your morning coffee. Stay curious and keep exploring the frontiers of knowledge. If this changed the way you think about learning, hit the subscribe button below. Every week, we break down the world's biggest ideas in minutes, not months. It is time to take control of your research workflow. Stop drowning in papers and start leveraging AI to reclaim your most valuable resource, your time. If this video changed the way you approach learning, hit subscribe for more insights every week.